Hey guys, today let's try to fix allow access to photos missing on your iPhone. So all we need to go ahead and do is to locate the specific application. So let's say that you're having some issues with your TikTok application and you cannot access your photos on this application. So what we should basically do is to go ahead and terminate this application from running. So go ahead and swipe up from your home screen and then remove the application. And what I want you guys to do is to just tap on the TikTok application, launching it again, and then tap on this plus icon and then proceed with tapping on upload over here. Now by tapping on this, basically you are going to see all of your photos, and basically what we need to do is just go ahead and accept the terms and conditions and also allow access to all photos. Basically you will receive a prompt on here asking you if you want to go ahead and allow TikTok to access all of your photos. And what I want you guys to do is to tap on allow full access or full access to photos and videos, and that should essentially solve your problem. Now that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe and take care.